Today is July 12th. We are going to do some yard work. We are basically going to dig a hole, keep digging, and do some on-site composting before I plant some zucchinis and other veggies in the area. So I already finished making the hole. I did on-site composting and I planted our calabacita Mexican zucchini next to the one we already have. We added a husky cherry red tomato plant here, and you can see some little babies starting to grow already. And then another tomato plant, beefsteak tomato plant. So anyway, that's it for today.